Good morning. Today's Thursday, February the 9th, about 5 minutes until the market opens. And I opened up my charts and, well, I noticed we had a gap here overnight, but that gap's been well filled already. And so I'm just looking to see what kind of potential we've got, which direction we'll go. And while looking around, I noticed that in the grand scheme of things, we've been beating and banging sideways right here at the 89 for several days on our daily chart. So it'll be real interesting to see what happens, whether it's going to push on up or finally do that pullback, get back to the trigger. Daily volume's already at 13,000, so there's been quite a bit. We had unemployment numbers come out at 7:30. That was this little blip right there. No other news today, so let's see what happens when the market opens. All right, the market's open, and we're going to take a short. Just a little bit...
Order filled.
Just a tad bit slow on my entry there. I knew this thing wanted to go down. Had this separation here that didn't quite get to the bottom band, so it looked like it wanted to push down. I can add some more on it though.
Filled.
Alright, so I added on to that one. And what we'll do, okay, like that. I got one at 70, or the 62, 76, and then the two new ones are down there at the 89.
Target filled.
First target's in. Okay, so this second target here is this double bottom area here. Okay, that's a real good sign on the 1597. There's our second target filled. So yeah, it's struggling a little bit much for me. Come in behind this last little pivot here. Go ahead and take part of it off there.
Target filled.
All right. Now with this last piece here, we can just let it go and see what it's going to do. The 987 and the 610, look at this. Like that, and this one's even more pronounced.
Order filled.
We're going to take a little bit more on that one.
Target filled.
Okay, I'm going to take off my extra, or my first add-on. And we'll see if this thing is going to go ahead and drop down. Okay, let me get an idea. I'm kind of losing my bearings here. Okay, that's that one. Also lines up with the 62, so I want to pay real close attention to that. Kind of up on the edge of my seat now, sitting up tall and all. See that separation right there? I don't like that so much. Tell you what, let's go ahead. Take some off right there at the 62, since that's a double whammy kind of area. Struggling a bit here. I'm going to go ahead and take me a piece.
Target filled.
That gap on the 610 there, I'm not keen on that, so I'm going to go ahead and move that to +1. And it'll either go or it won't. Yeah, that gap's working against me.
Target filled.
Go ahead and close out. And there you go. Nice morning. Let's see, that's 8.5 points. Not bad for 25 minutes worth of work. Let's see if I can go back over everything here. Okay, so market opened. I had noticed we had this downward slope here. MACDs were saying the same thing. So I went ahead and I took an order right there. It took off. Then I saw that these triggers were curling over. I like when the triggers curl over like that because that usually results in this, which is a good thing. I went ahead and added on. And I just did it as a market order. So I got filled down here. But if you look, 3-bar slide, that works. So took this first one off down here. I believe this was around the deep 76. Second part came off down here, which was at the 100% extension right here of this move. And then so that took me out of the first trade. And then second set of trades, I took this piece off here when it kind of stumbled and stayed there a little too long, and then I went ahead and added on here after I saw this little turn down here. I thought we could get some more down, so I added on again. I took off the last contract of this here. Then I took off from this third entry I made here. I took off one contract there and I took off the second one there, and I'm glad I did because we reached the bottom. Now this is looking at from here, that's an 89. So we had really weakened these triggers. This downward strength was pretty well over, so I was able to get something out of my little add-on there and make for a positive day. So really happy with it. So that's it, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you again later.